Hello there. So today I want to show you how to do multiple two-line button in a page and how to use them actually with pop-up also, since a little twist is needed when you're working with pop-ups. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want other insight in GroovePages, subscribe to the channel. So what we will see today, we will see how to set up multiple two-line buttons. So I did previously another video that I will link in the card above and in the description below, showing you how to set up a single two-line button. So this version is a bit better actually, because you can have multiple two-line button in a single page and the code will work better actually. We will also see how to set up it in a pop-up. Since pop-up is a bit different, as you can see in another video that I have made regarding pop-up structure and how to work with them, you cannot place your code actually in the pop-up by itself. So let's get into it. So this is the site that I have which I use. Actually, I have in this site a few pop-ups and a few page. Most all page have pop-up actually in this site. So to set up a multiple two-line button, actually, what you need to do is pretty straightforward, as we will see in this document. So this document is step-by-step on how to make multiple two-line buttons. And you will have a link to this document in the description of the video below. So the first thing that you need to do is to have or create a button and give it a class. So you can give it a caption. The caption will be, for example, yes, John, give me the training. And we use this character here as a special character that the code will look for button that have this class. And when the code find this character, it will remove the character and make the text appear on two line. Therefore, the two-line buttons. You will need also this code. So this code here is the code that will be applied to the second line of the button. So you will have a smaller text. So the code will do this. It will reduce the text size and put it to normal font weight. Finally, what you need to do is to copy and paste this code. And one thing that you may want to change is this pipe here. This pipe is actually the separator that the code find to, for example, make a two-line button, which the first line is yes, John, give me the training, and the second line is mentorship training class soon, starts soon. This could be interesting to change this if you, for example, want to have a pipe in the text that is not a split, and therefore you can change this character to another character that is not in the text. So let's see how we can do this in GroovePages. So if I come here, for example, you will see that in my caption I have my pipe, so the text here will split for that character. You will see that I have my class here, second line button. So this tells the code to look at that button. And finally, the last part that I need actually is, I will cancel that. The last part that I need is that I have the CSS style here, which will tells how the second line of the button will look, and also the script code that you saw in step 3. This is where the things are a bit more complicated with pop-ups. Since pop-ups are actually embedded in the page, but they don't have the same setting as you have in a normal page. You need to put the code that we see here, step 3 and step 2, either in the site setting that we saw earlier or in the page setting. So I explained in another video that you will find a card in the above, that the pop-up are actually stored in the pages. So if, for example, you want for that page, which is the start now, thank you, to have the code for the two-line button to be split, you can put it also into the page itself in the CSS section and in the body bottom section. So this is the only small difference. Since pop-up are in the page, you need to put the code into the page or at the site level or at the page level. So this is how we apply the two-line button. So when everything is published, what it will look like, it would look like this. So you have a two-line button. You see that the pipe is not there anymore, and the two buttons are impacted by this. So hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about GroovePages hacks, other review that I may do in the future time, please subscribe to this channel, and hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Bye bye.